Hey everyone, it's Tim from Rural Pumps. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to safely and easily disconnect and then reconnect your pressure pump to your house water supply. You need to do this job occasionally, mostly when the pump needs to be repaired. Now that you are ready to start, there are some things you need to be aware of for safety when working on a pressure pump. Firstly, we are dealing with water and electricity, so make sure the power supply to the pump is turned off before disconnecting it. Second, a pressure pump means that pipework can contain a lot of water pressure, even if it's stopped. We want to release that pressure safely before we disconnect any pipework. Also, if the pump is connected to a water tank, then make sure you turn off the valve on the tank so you don't risk losing your water when the pump is disconnected. Lastly, if you get stuck or aren't confident with what you are doing at any point, just stop and get a qualified repairer to finish the job. You are better off paying a few dollars for the job to be done correctly rather than breaking things and it costing more in parts, or worse, breaking the pump permanently and having to buy a new pump. So the first task you carry out is to inspect the pump and turn off the electricity. Now the motor won't start and we can drain all the pressure from the pipes. Now we drain all the pressure by turning on the kitchen tap. Next, go over to the water tank and turn off the outlet valve on the tank. This means that the tank won't lose any water once you disconnect the pipework. Now the pressure is drained out and the tank is isolated, you can proceed to disconnect the pipe connectors from the suction inlet and discharge outlet on the pump. Using some multi-grips or a Stilson wrench, unscrew these connectors. These are Philmac rural poly connectors which are common on Australian farms. Now these pipes are undone, we can remove the pump. Before you do any repairs to the pump in your workshop, it's crucial that you drain all the water out so you don't spill water all over your workbench. Turn the pump upside down and let the water all drain out. Now you can go and carry out the repairs that are needed on the pump. Once the pump is fixed, you can reconnect it. So place your pump back down on the slab it was originally sitting on. For small pumps like this, it's not necessary to bolt it down, as it won't move much when the motor starts, and it may need to be moved slightly to reconnect the pipes properly. Now check the fittings and all rubber seals are in good condition. In this case, all that needs to be done is to push each fitting in and then screw the poly fittings up hand tight. Head back over to the tank and open the suction line valve again. As the tank is slightly elevated, we don't have to reprime the pump as gravity pushes some water through. Now return to the pump and you can turn the power supply back on and the pump will restart itself. Now flush out any air in the line and turn off the tap so that the pump can shut down automatically again. That is how you disconnect and reconnect a house pressure pump. Thanks for watching. For more information on how pumps work and to buy a great range of mechanical seals, bearings, capacitors and other parts to repair your pump, please visit us at ruralpumps.com.au. There are a couple of links attached to this video.